Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley showcase. We are talking 5-packs today. In fact, we are talking Matchbox 5-packs. We'll be doing a lot of Matchbox over the next few days, dedicating a few videos to it because the Matchbox Gathering of Friends convention is this weekend in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I will be there, and I will be posting a whole lot of stuff, some live feeds, the new model presentations, a whole lot of stuff. So subscribe if you haven't. Tell your friends to subscribe and pay attention because lots of stuff is going to come and I think you will enjoy it. But let's talk about this 5-pack called Texas Patrol. I was very surprised to find it in Target just the other day. It is a police 5-pack. Our Matchbox will always do a police 5-pack every year. But one of the pieces of feedback that they got from collectors over time was instead of just doing a bunch of random police cars, some licensed decos, some unlicensed, why not do a whole theme, a whole fleet? We saw that with NYPD. 5 models from Jeep Cherokee to the Ram, not the Dodge Ram, the Ram, Dodge Charger Pursuit, BMW bike, and then the Speed Trap, which is cool. Speed Trapper, I think it is called. You can see on the back, the Charger Pursuit is on the back. Art is pretty simple. I don't see the names of the models anywhere, which is surprising. Okay, 5 models. We'll start from, well, let's start from the bottom this time because it's right here. We start with the Jeep Cherokee. Every one of these models is under Texas Highway Patrol, so you'll see the same color, same theme. The black color with the Texas Department Public Safety logo on the side. This one says State Trooper. I don't know if all of them will. I think so. This is an older casting. It does have a tow hook, which is important, as you'll see in a little bit. I think they've done this casting without a police light on it too. I don't remember. But it's obviously been modified so that the light piece can be part of the windows in order for them to do this model. It looks really good, I think, just in terms of a classic Jeep Cherokee. All right, here's the second model. I'm going to have to decide which one is my favorite of this 5-pack, but this is one of the candidates. The next model is the other candidate. But here it is as an unmarked police vehicle. And as someone pointed out when I posted this picture on Instagram, this one might be loosely based on a very famous Texas Ranger, Chuck Norris's truck in, what was it, Walker, Texas Ranger, I think it was called. I never watched the show, so I wouldn't have known. But you can call this just an unmarked police vehicle that's going to pull you over when you're speeding in Texas, or this can be a homage to Chuck Norris. So you win both ways, right? I really like this casting because its proportions are so perfect. For a $1 model, it's fantastic. And when it debuted in national parks, anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. Loved it. Second model, the second candidate for best model of the pack is this one. Many of the police 5-packs have the Dodge Charger Pursuit in them, and they should because the casting is also, like the Ram, nearly perfect. I love the 5-spoke rims on this one. I love the fact that it's black with the white hood. State Trooper, Texas Department of Safety. It's just clean. That and the Ram are my 2 favorites. You guys can decide which between those 2 you like the best, or if there's another model that you like better, definitely put that in there. But those 2 models just by themselves make this pack worth it. BMW Police. I can't remember which one this is because it just says BMW on the base. A lot of letters and numbers if I remember correctly. There's a lot of metal on this model. I'm not a big fan of the motorcycles. That's just a personal preference because while I know that a lot of these models aren't going to be perfectly proportioned or perfectly scaled, they just aren't. That's just not how they do it. The motorcycles are enormous. Here, try and put a motorcycle in the back of that truck. See? That ain't going to work. So I've never been a fan of the motorcycles, so personal preference, I would have preferred another vehicle, but that's okay. It is what it is. I'm happy with the Ram and the Charger, and I am happy with this one. This is the Speed Trapper, telling you to slow down, giving you different speed options. You can actually, if you really wanted to, like color those in, and it would show you. But 25 through this area, and like I said, we needed something with a tow hook, so the Cherokee is the thing that has it now. And you can see that those wheels aren't rolling, because that thing is just angled a little bit too high. So we need to find something to put on the tow hook. It's too bad because this is cool. Maybe you needed to pick a different model, but with these tow hooks and these heights, it makes it very difficult because this model is very cool. So maybe we just have to let it sit right there and let the cars speed by. There you go. That is the Texas Patrol 5-pack. Clearly in stores now. Found mine at Target. Look for it. Lots more to come, I promise you. So pay attention. It's coming. Thanks, everybody. Bye.